Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install golang 1.19 on Rocky Linux 9 operating system. So first I am going to show you how to install and configure golang 1.19 for a single user, that is for current user. Okay. So current user is Java Forum. Okay. Now let me go to the binaries directory. So I have downloaded the Go 1.19 binaries for Linux here. Yes, Go 1.19.8. So I am extracting the content. So I am going to move this directory to /opt. Okay. So this is the final one. So I am renaming to go-1.19. So you can note down Go 1.20 is already available there. So you can install multiple versions of Go in same machine. Okay. So this is the direct structure of Go 1.19. So Go bin directory contains executable files. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to add Go 1.19 bin directory to the Linux path variable. Export path equal to $path /opt/go-1.19 bin directory. Save that. Yes. So now let me go to terminal. source.bash_profile. Go version. Yes. I can able to run the go command. Let me run one go example. Okay. So I am going to run this factorial program. Go run factorial.go. Yes, so I can run the Go program also. So golang 1.19 installed for a single user, that is current user can execute the program, but problem is there are many users in this machine. Okay, so 2 users in this machine. Only current user called Java Forum only can execute the Go programs. Okay, so user Ramanathan cannot execute the Go program. So what I am going to do, I am going to configure this Go 1.19 to globally available to all the users whoever log in to this machine. So what I am going to do, I delete the line in bash profile. So now I am logging to the terminal as a root user. Go to cd/etc/profile.d. Under that I am creating one golang.sh shell script file. So I am pasting the deleted line here and save the shell script file. So note down the path /etc/profile.d. I am creating the shell script file. So in that I am pasting the Go 1.19 bin commands appended with Linux path variable. Okay, so log off current user called Java Forum. Now I am going to log in as a user called Ramanathan. Okay, so now let me run the Go commands. Yes. So Go 1.19 is available globally to all the users now. Let me run one Go program. Go run factorial.go. Yes, I can able to run the Go program. So finally Golang 1.19 is available globally to the all the users in this machine. Now let me confirm once again by login as a Java FRM user. Yes, I can able to run the Go commands. So Golang 1.19 installation on Rocky Linux 9 is successful.